Dogs are not our whole life, but they make our lives whole. Roger Karras. Most think service dogs help with just physical tasks, but the real magic, you don't see it coming. No command, no cue, just heart. This isn't training, this is love. He senses her pain and offers what no human can. Silent comfort. He holds space for her heart to heal. Heroes don't always wear vests. To most, he's just a dog. To us, he's everything. Some services can't be taught, only felt. Not all heroes walk on two legs. This is the side of a service dog the world rarely sees. They don't just assist, they heal. In silence, in tears, in unconditional love. Buddy, our giant guardian, always watching, always ready.